When I first decided to earn my real estate license, my original goal wasn't simply to sell homes. I wanted to understand the business from the inside. As an AI automation consultant, I quickly realized something important. Artificial intelligence is only as smart as the information you give it. If you want an AI assistant that can answer questions accurately, qualify leads, and build trust, you can't rely on generic responses. You need your own knowledge base. That's exactly what I built. Most AI chatbots know a little about everything, but buyers and sellers don't want a little. They want answers specific to your business, your market, and your process. Instead of programming hundreds of responses one at a time, I created a centralized knowledge base that teaches my AI assistant exactly how I want it to respond. Today, it acts like a virtual team member available 24 hours a day. Think of it as the AI's training manual. Instead of memorizing information, the AI searches this library every time someone asks a question. The result? More accurate answers and faster responses. My knowledge base contains everything from my biography and professional experience to specific buyer and seller resources like VA loans and home prep checklists. It also covers local market info, school districts, and even real estate education topics like agency relationships and fiduciary duties to reinforce consumer trust. Most agents think AI replaces people. I believe it strengthens relationships. Imagine a potential client visiting your website at 9:30 p.m. and getting instant, accurate answers. No lead is ignored, no opportunity is missed. The AI qualifies the lead and schedules the consultation while you sleep. The chatbot isn't the secret. The automation isn't the secret. The knowledge base is. That's where the intelligence comes from. Without quality information, AI simply guesses. As I build my business, I'm documenting the process of combining real estate education, AI automation, and GoHighLevel into one connected system designed to book appointments automatically. The future of real estate isn't replacing relationships with AI. It's using AI to create more meaningful relationships by providing faster answers and better service. That's why I built this. The future is calling. Schedule your free AI demo today at teachleadandinspire.com and see the system in action.